Don't bug me. Understanding everyday English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, "Don't bug me." This common English expression is used in daily conversations, and understanding it can really help you sound like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it correctly. Don't bug me is an idiomatic expression that people use when they want to be left alone. The word bug in this context means to annoy or bother someone persistently. So when someone says, "Don't bug me," they are politely or sometimes not so politely asking someone to stop annoying them and to give them some space. The term bug has been part of the English language for centuries, but it only started being used as a verb meaning to irritate or pester in the early 20th century. It's thought to have originated from the literal bugs that bother people, like mosquitoes. Just like these insects, being bugged by someone can be quite irritating. This phrase can be used in informal settings among friends or family, but it's not considered polite in formal situations. If you need to express the same sentiment in a more formal context, you might say, "Please give me some space," or "I would appreciate some quiet." Here are a few examples of how you might hear "Don't bug me" used in everyday conversations. "I'm trying to concentrate on my homework. Please, don't bug me right now." "I told my little brother 100 times, don't bug me while I'm on the phone." That's all for our lesson on "Don't bug me." Remember, it's a phrase best used in casual situations when you're feeling a bit annoyed. We hope this video has been informative and adds to your understanding of everyday English phrases. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use "Don't bug me" when the moment is right. Catch you in the next video.